Well, hello there. It seems like ages since I was last outside. We've had some crappy skies up here in Ohio. Gray skies, and a few bits of blue would pop out for like a few minutes every so often, but even this morning it was a solid gray mass up there, but somehow it cleared off. So here we are on Saturday, March 17th, 2018, and we'll take a real quick look here. There we go. Yeah, it's my old handmade solar filter. I don't believe there's any sunspots up there. There haven't been for quite a while now. Much different than last year. But over in the west-southwest is the sun. And though we can't see it because of the glare of the sun, the moon is right next to it from our viewing angle here. So it's a new moon right now. And Venus and I think Mercury are over to its left, along with the moon. Saturn, Jupiter's already set. But not a whole lot to see here. So yeah, as we see our flares and everything dance around. There's a lot of elements in these cameras. But yeah, I just want to make that observation that, especially with those webcams that pick up a second sun or another planet or what have you, I'm kind of doubtful there. Now it's just my own opinion, but we have this large moon of ours that we can't see when it gets so close to the sun from our view, you know. And we can't even see our own known planets in the solar system during the day. So I just kind of find it unlikely that these webcams and digital cameras are picking up a second sun. Now don't get me wrong though. I've believed for decades, 30, 40 years, that there are more than the known planets that in our solar system, and a lot more rocks and debris up there, and also that we have a companion star besides the sun. So, but with a lot of these cameras, but I just don't think we're going to be able to pick it up with these DSLR cameras or webcams or phone cameras. Not when we can't even see the damn moon, you know. It's right there. The moon's right there to the left of the sun. Can you see it? No. Can you see Venus? No. Because the glare of the sun wipes it out. And sometimes it's not even the glare. It could just be just when it gets light enough out, like in the mornings, Jupiter and Saturn will fade from view, and as the sun rises higher and higher, the sky gets bluer and bluer. They're all washed out then, so anyway, that's just my opinion, and it may cause a shitstorm, but you see refractions, you see reflections, you see flares, you see all kinds of objects. But these sensors and these cameras and all the elements they have in them, I believe create a lot of the effects that we see. And as we do this, anyway, yeah, so we're back to the old handmade solar filter. And do this. There we go. Yeah, so it's not all cardboard, but I used for the ring, I think the video showed using cardboard, but I used something, oh gosh, what is it? Something to do with weather stripping, but it's like a vinyl, but bendable. So I used that as the this round piece that goes over the lens. But I can just slice it open here, and it opens up because there's two layers of cardboard, and I can put a new solar filter in and use the same base. Anyway, so that'll do it for now. I'm gonna wish you all a wonderful day, great weekend, and I hope this weather continues. It's not supposed to, but you can always hope. All right, y'all take care. Bye for now.